Hello and welcome back. So in this lecture we will cover some basic examples of Bootstrap. So visit the website codeplay.com and click on Bootstrap 4. So now let's remove this and minimize. So below is the output screen when we run the code. So output will be displayed here. Let's change the view, remove the add, minimize. I think that's okay now. So here we write our HTML code, and on right side it will be, so we create a div and give it style is equal to background color yellow. So this is CSS, and now we create another div and give a heading h1 is equal to hello world. So now run this. So let's see. So this div covered the full width, and inside the div we have hello world. Okay, now no padding on left and right side. So now when we add class is equal to container, so this is basically the Bootstrap class. And now let's see the difference. Run this and see. So container give you some padding on left and right side. This is because of Bootstrap class. And now we add another Bootstrap class equal to text dash center. So it will center our text. So let's run this and see. So our text is now in center. Hello world. Now we give it class is equal to padding top dash 5. See, this is also the Bootstrap class. So let's run this. So it will give you the padding on top, and similarly padding bottom dash 5. This is also the Bootstrap class. So let's run this and see. This gives you the padding on bottom. Okay, now we create another div inside the container div with the class, give it a class is equal to row. So basically we have 12 column div, and to create the div, let's create the div with the class is equal to col dash lg. So on large devices it is 6 column div, sorry, and we create another div with 6 column div. So we have 12 column div and we divide the column 6 by 6. Okay, so now this is our column 1, and similarly copy this and paste it here. This is column 2. Now give some background color so you can see the difference clearly. So give it style is equal to, copy this and now change the color, background color green, and so we have 2 columns, 6 by 6 column. So on small devices it is the div contains the 12 column div, but on large devices it is 6 column div, 6 and 6. So basically 12 column we have, but on smaller devices each column contains the 12 column width. Okay, so now we create another div with class equal to col dash lg dash 12. So on large screen devices the third column contains the 12 column width. Okay, that's column 3. Let's run this. So we have 3 columns on large devices. The third column contains the 12 column width, but other two contain 6 by 6. Okay, now you can see the difference easily. So these columns are inside the row So let's give padding left dash 5, so it will give some. So this is padding left dash 5. This is inside the. So these columns are inside the row. So give some background color so you can see the clearly. Style background color blue. Now run this and see. So these columns are inside the row. Okay, so give some padding. Padding right dash 5. It will give some padding on right side. Okay, now give some padding top dash 5, and so it will give some padding on top side and padding bottom dash 5. So when you want to padding on all sides, so remove this and give only p dash 5, so it will give the padding on all sides. Okay, so yes, so blue area is the row, and inside the row we have 3 columns, and 2 columns are 6 by 6 column on large screen, and third one is 12 column div on large screen, and on mobile devices it is 12 column width column. Okay, yeah, I think that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.